Hello everyone. A practical question. How to use your microphone and webcam inside a Windows VPS. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to enable audio and video devices in your remote desktop environment. Let's begin with the remote desktop connection. Search for it in the Start menu and open it. Once the window appears, go to the Local Resources tab and click on Settings. Here, make sure that the record from the computer is selected. Now, go back to the previous window and click More. Alright, from the list, activate both video capture devices and other supported plug-and-play devices. Once these are checked, click Connect. Enter your password, and continue. It is possible that a message will pop up asking you, do you want to connect anyway? So, simply click OK. As a next step, install the necessary roles on the VPS. After connecting, wait for the Server Manager window to open. There, click on Add Roles and Features. Click Next until you reach the Installation Type screen, and make sure Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation is selected. Then, continue to the Roles section and activate Remote Desktop Services. When you get to Role Services, check, confirm, and add the required features for these options. Remote Desktop Connection Broker, Remote Desktop Gateway, Remote Desktop Licensing, Remote Desktop Session Host. After selecting all, click Next. On this screen, enable Restart the destination server automatically if required. Confirm by clicking Yes, and then click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Now it's time to adjust the group policy settings. When the Remote Desktop Connection window appears, press the Connect button. Enter the password and proceed. Then, open the Start menu, find this file, and open it. This will open the local group policy editor. As you can see, the installation has been completed. So, close it. Refer again to the Local Group Policy Editor, and navigate through this path. Here, change the following settings. Set Do Not Allow Video Capture Redirection to Disabled. Set Allow Audio and Video Playback Redirection to Enabled. Set Allow Audio Recording Redirection to Enabled. Set Do Not Allow Supported Plug-and-Play Device Redirection to Disabled. Next, let's configure RemoteFX. For that, in the Group Policy Editor, go to this path. Then set this option to Enabled. Alright, we're almost done. Close the Group Policy Editor and restart your VPS. Once it comes back online, open the Device Manager. Look for the Remote Desktop Camera device. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see your webcam listed as USB 2.0 PC camera redirected. This means both your microphone and webcam are now working inside the VPS. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your microphone and webcam in a Windows VPS through Remote Desktop. Now you can use audio and video just as you would on your local computer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Windows Server and VPS tutorials.